Mr. Secretary, top up my phone for 4 lakh rupees.
Income tax rate, dude. I'll call you back.
Meow. What are you doing here at the night?
We are going to shop to buy cone.
She is a problem. You want ice cream at night?
It's not ice cone. We are going to buy mehendi cone.
Apply mehendi on your face. Let me see if you become fair. I'm not talking to you. Hello, Meow. May I help you?
No, thanks.
Oh, Mrs. Chirant is so fluent in English.
Hey, check out this design.
Hey, it's not nice, yeah.
Oh.
Look this.
What,
it is
man?
better.
Where are you these days? How are you?
Not that good.
Hey, what are you doing?
I am dancing here. Will you also join me? Hey, what do you want?
Give me 10 rupees chocolate.
What is this? You are asking for a chocolate today?
He's becoming smart these days. I want to kill him right now. Why not take this? It looks awesome.
I know that.
Ah,
How is it?
even I thought you're just a school kid. After I saw you that day in a sari, I'll say it openly. I fell down. I know that even you love me too.
Who told that I'm liking you?
Fraud female. Then why the hell did you look at me as if you're eating me up?
That's how I look to something.
Then why the hell did you wear the ribbon I gave it to you?
If I get to know you'll speak like this, I wouldn't wear that ribbon. I'm sorry for wearing it. Enough? Come.
Lata Pandi.
Hey,
Lata
hey.
Pandi.
Anyway, you love Chirant, right? Then why didn't you select the design?
Even if we are loving them, we shouldn't express it.
Why so?
He used me as a postman to give letter to Kalyani ma'am. You know, right? Now, let him follow us.
Huh? Only we think that they should be behind us. But they will choose another one if we don't fall for them.
My man will not go to that extent. By now, he'll start listening sad song and roaming around.
Hey, brother. I want to make a call. Just give the phone.
No balance.
Without balance, why are you wearing white shirt, yeah?
Even my underwear is clean and white. Will you see it?
Then I am going to pull your intestine out. That's also white, yeah?
Let me see if you can do that.
Hey, who are you? Hey, stop it! Hey!
Hey, who are you all?
Who's this, huh?
Hey, who are you? Boss, this is Chirant.
Oh, Mokasam is real, son.
His son itself.
Okay, lift him. I don't know whose those rowdies were, but they bet your son black and blue. I was on the same age, so I was able to rescue him. Or else what would have happened? They would have killed him, you know? Advise your son, Moka. Why is he mongering unnecessary trouble with everyone? There are thousands of things happening in the same town, you know. You should not participate in all that.
Correct, sir.
Did you understand that? Yes. Today they bet you black and blue, tomorrow they can kill you. Advise your son and ask him to be quiet. I can't keep rescuing him every time.
What is this, boss? You could have fired him over there itself, right? You just left him.
Hey, firstly you should tell him, then hit him like this. If he doesn't change, then we will do that also. There is a time for everything. Let's go.
Why are you doing like this? Why did the Gundas hit you? Do you know your enemy?
I'm not denying that I have enemies in this world. But such a bitter enemy is like that man on that bike.
What the? He sent the Gundas to hit you and he spoke to you like a good friend of yours. Don't leave him.
Dad, are you saying this? You told me, right? Tomorrow I'll make sure to prepare a pit for him and I'll cover it with leaves and I'll make sure to make him fall in it.
Hey, don't act like a school-going kid.
Huh?
The Gundas hit you because of your childish behavior. Hey, you clearly know his weakness, right? Finish it off.
Turn slowly, man.
Let's go. Mr. Secretary, please listen. It's very dangerous place. Wait here.
He's going so accurately, as if he's come here once.
Yeah.
Ah,
Shh. No one is here. Come.
Go, man, your father and you.
Hey.
Go, man, go.
Oh.
Go. See now.
What's your problem?
Balls got broken, man.
Come.
I will not talk.
Come means follow me.
Chirant.
Shivanandi.
Chirant, I'm getting nervous, man.
Stop it.
The one who we came in search of his love. He's sleeping there.
Shall we deal it now?
Yes, boss.
That is the end of Shivanandi. Take it.
Take it. Thank you, yeah.
Bye. Shivanandi. Hey.
What, man? Oh.
That is her. Here you go, hold it.
What you going to do? Huh? Where are you going? Hey, don't break our association rules, man.
There is no more association at all.
If Shivanandi awakes, there's no inquiry. Directly encounter.
Wow. Oh my god. Hey Shivanandi, how can you have such a daughter? Oh my gosh, she's very beautiful. You fraud female? When I gave it to you, you denied it aggressively. Now you have applied the same design. Right? Hey Chirant, you have actually acquired some part in Lata Pandi's heart. Huh?
Hey, Shivanandi. By showing this, you made me to go to loose motions, right? See now what I'll do. In one shot, I'm going to kill you. Directly headshot only. Oh, he turned off.
Hey, come on.
It's free show only, no, brother. Anyone can watch it.
I will kill you. Ayyo. Hey, there's a dog over there.
Oh, so poor fellow. Come this way.